In this lesson, we'll explore what an API of an application is. On the platform, we can't access the database directly. Any web page or external app sends a request to an endpoint, which, based on roles and filters, reads or writes data and sends a response. There are two main request types: GET for reading data and POST for writing, creating, updating, and deleting objects. Special attention should be given to webhooks. They let you receive notifications from web services, payment systems, or IoT devices. An endpoint consists of a domain, a name, and parameters. Parameters come after the question mark and are separated by ampersands. Each one includes a key, equals sign, and value. Understanding endpoint parameters is essential for development. Now let's move to practice. Every endpoint works with a specific structure. We'll use the Books table. Open the API tab and create a new endpoint for this structure. Set a name and description. Make the endpoint public. We'll deal with access roles later. Add the title field for GET requests. For POST, leave it empty for now. Save. It appears in the list. On the second tab, we can test it. We get two objects in JSON format. Let's add another field for reading, a link field, writer. We can also select nested fields to include, such as the author's name and surname. To test the API, it's convenient to use free software like Postman. Copy the API address, make a GET request from Postman, we get the same response with books and author data. Now let's test reverse linking. The author has a link array to books. Make book titles available for reading. Check in Postman. We see the array of book objects. You can work with endpoints directly from the data structure page. Click Endpoints. From here, you can edit or create them. Edit our current endpoint, add fields for writing. Book title and author. On the Test tab, switch to Post. We see the request body, fields we can write. For link fields, pass the ID of the referenced object. In this case, Dostoevsky's ID is 1. Send the request, we get the new object's ID and readable fields. Go to the Books table. Here's the new record, Crime and Punishment by Dostoevsky. Now let's learn to update objects. To change one, send a POST request with its ID. Add the ID field to writable fields. Copy the object's ID, send a POST with new data. E.g., change the title to The Idiot. Check the result. The object is updated. Open it to view change history. First version, old title. You can also see the ID of the endpoint that made the change. Lastly, let's delete an object using post. We'll add a field called isHidden, type Boolean. In the structure settings, label true as hidden and false as visible. Hard deletion is bad practice. Better to filter objects using flags. We make this field writable. No need to make it readable. Add a filter. Return only objects where isHidden is not true. Let's test the endpoint. Right now, the object is returned by get. Send a post with only ID and isHidden equals true. Other fields remain unchanged. Now the get no longer shows the object, it's hidden. Full deletion is possible via scenarios. We'll cover that in another lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time.